Hello, I'm Craft the Wall. Welcome to the episode of Craft Along with Craft the Wall. In this episode, I'm making Mega Ampharos. This model took me about 2.5 hours to make, and it was a little bit more complex than the amount of steps I had to take to make this model. The general guidelines for making this model is first, you're going to make the head, but do not close the head with the bottom piece. Next, you're going to build the ears. I only included me making the ears once because you don't need to see me make it twice because it's exactly the same. Next, I made the hair, which I recommend that you fold every single fold on the lined sheet of paper, even if you're building this lineless. Then you're going to attach the hair and the ears to the head, and once they're glued to the head, you can close the head. After that, I started building the body and the tail. I then used the white part of the tail to stabilize the yellow part of the tail, which, again, theoretically makes a tripod, allowing the model to stand. Once all that is glued, I attach the head and just let the glue dry, and voila, it is done. Besides that, if you want to build this model with me, you can tell me some of the first in the description. See there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, I don't know, your favorite Johto Pokemon. With that out of the way, let's begin building. Yay! You made it to the end. Thank you for making it to the end. I highly doubt anyone is going to be here, so I can do a little bit of rambling about this Pokemon. I really like the name Jafar for this Pokemon. Yeah. I know Hayden uses Jafar as his Mega Ampharos, and I highly doubt anyone knows what I'm talking about. But after he used Jafar for his Mega Ampharos, it just seems like a fitting name for Ampharos. Mega Ampharos, so I like it. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. If you'd like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, favorite Johto Pokemon. And until next time, bye-bye!